Hey, what's up guys? So let's see how the big boy feels on KX112 on the little turn track I have here. Let's go. KX112, this is 2022, this is the biggest two-stroke kids bike. This is a super mini, right? So it has 27 more cc's than 95. And this thing is fun. A little bit, I feel a little bit cramped. Yes, it is a super mini, so it has small wheels compared to the big bike, and I'm 5'11"-ish, kind of 200 pounds now, so felt a little bit cramped on the bike for sure. Felt that you know, I was hitting my knees sometimes in the turns to the handlebars, and I went over. I kind of fell in one sharp turn because I got kind of cramped in the bike, stuck in the bike, so there was nowhere to go. But other than that, my goodness, the power on this thing when it sinks on the pipe, that's a fun power for me. If the wheels are a little bit bigger, I mean, I can imagine, you know, having fun on power like that. Of course 125 will suit me much better, but this being a bike for my 11-year-old son, then I'm an old dog and I can still jump on it and do a fun laps on my backyard track here on some turn track, so I think that's pretty good. This thing is fun! We are learning, you know, how to stay in the rut, how to ride these little bit tougher conditions, so then we can get a little better on the deeper, tougher motocross tracks. All right, my friends, well, let me know what you think, and don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you guys later.